What's up, everyone? This is CRA Audits back at Findlay, Ohio Municipal Building. Let's check them out.
May I help you?
Just filming right now.
You're not allowed to be filming inside here, sir.
Oh, I'm not?
No, I could ask you to please leave.
I would say that you get paid by city tax dollars. Ooh, that sucks, don't it?
Yep.
You guys really hit the panic button? You'll be educated. It's fun. You think that's funny? The First Amendment's funny? You know, I was just talking to the captain in there, right, filming, and I had to go through a metal detector, correct? Correct?
Is there anything I can help you with in regards to your taxes?
Yeah, can I get a public information request?
Sure. I don't think you can get that from this department.
So I can't find out how many city taxpayers pay for,
Sir, that's not public information.
oh, that's not, the number of them, of city residents is not the public's information? I don't want to know how much they paid. I just want to know how many comes and pays for. How's it going?
Good, how are you?
I'm doing fine.
Yes, can you please leave?
I'm asking for public information here.
I'll talk to you back here real
Okay,
quick.
thank you, sir.
How's it going, guys?
Good, you?
Oh, I'm doing fine.
What's going on today?
Oh, I'm just filming. Can I get everybody's name and badge numbers that showed up here, please?
Badge number 15. Officer
15.
Smith.
Officer Smith.
Officer Frank.
Don't go anywhere, please. Officer, please don't go anywhere. You see what's going on here? Just walking away when I asked you guys. Why? I asked him to identify. He came to a call.
I didn't even talk to you.
It doesn't matter. He showed up.
What's going on today?
Nothing. I'm just filming. I did a couple public information. I'm about to go upstairs, do some more public information. Is that cool? I'm an independent journalist. Sweet.
Asking what's going on? What was the reason you were here?
So when there's foot traffic in here, we'll discuss tax information at that front counter because they're not allowed.
Take them in the public. Take them in a private situation. Take them in private office.
Thank you. We appreciate you coming back. Yep. We just want to.
Thank you, sir.
Yep.
Can I get that public information real quick, please? Look at this, guys. Man, they could just put up any signs that they want.
Hello.
How's it going?
Can
I'm good. How are you?
I'm doing all right. I'd like to do some public information, trying to figure out some stuff.
Okay.
I would like to know how many public tax people pay taxes in Findlay. I want to know how many residents there are in Findlay, Ohio.
Okay. That should be pretty easy to find on our website.
Well, I'm asking for the information. I'll give you my email address and all that.
Okay.
Then I also want to know how many employees are in the tax department and what their annual salary is for the year.
Okay. That can also be found on the website, but I can send it to you.
And I want to know what kind of training the tax department gets for citizens, for the public.
Okay. So you want the population of Findlay?
Yep. How many people pay taxes in Findlay, Ohio? I want to know every name of every tax employee in here with their salary, starting from the top to the bottom. So whoever's in charge to the newest hire.
Okay.
And I want to know how many delinquent taxes you guys send off to people to sue and arrest for the state of Findlay, or the city of Findlay.
How many
False reports? Let me try to explain it. How many warrants do you guys issue? And it doesn't have to be through you guys, but you guys give a piece of paper to an attorney
collections attorneys?
Okay.
Yes.
I want to know how many of those tax files go to those attorneys and how many of them actually get dismissed because of you guys' clerical mistakes. And I want that in the last 5 years.
Okay. I can give you.
Because I think me and you talked prior, because you guys put out a false warrant out for my arrest, and I lost my job. I lost the way of my living from your guys' clerical mistake because I wasn't even living in Findlay at the time. Maybe I should have did that civil litigation against you guys.
All right.
What do you got there?
And where am I sending it to?
You're going to send it to craaudits@gmail.com. Wait, no, I'm sorry. Gmail. I'm sorry. craaudits01@gmail.com. I'm sorry about that.
01. Okay.
And yep, you can just send that to me. Can I get a copy and a timestamp or something for that saying that you received it?
Yeah.
And real quick, that's all I need right there. You know, this is the second auditor that I've watched that came in here that you guys hit the panic button. If you're in charge, why haven't you told them that it's our rights to do this?
They are
You should have had a meeting the first time.
allowed to press the panic button whenever they feel threatened up here.
Filming
So,
is threatening.
sir, it's definitely out
You
of the
should have
ordinary.
you should have took it upon yourself as the leader to gather all the employees after it happened the first time when you guys were told
You don't
about
think
filming.
We did that.
So they didn't pay attention. So our tax dollars that we do pay for this place, it was probably just a pizza luncheon or donuts or something that you guys had a good time
Sir,
eating pizza and
this
donuts.
is all of your opinion and speculation, and you have your.
And I'll find out, because that's what's so great about this stuff. You know, I this is my first time coming in here. I'll be back plenty of times. You know,
Okay.
have a good day.
Thank you.
How's it going, sir? Good. Bob?
No, I work for him.
You work for him? Okay. Oh,
Yes, okay. So, give it a couple, lines up here, give us a couple lines up here. Just put, now, what's this guy do? Let me figure out what we need to put, okay? For what? And it, it'll say, you have to put number of those as of today. Excuse me. And just put down here,
that must have been the city treasurer,
just say,
Susan.
the two top dollars are included. And I guess that's all there is, I mean, unless you put in, total of 61 hourly rates beside it or something like that, you know. Yeah, it's kind of self-explanatory. And you need to print that off. Can we do it on legal, that it's one sheet? If we go to legal, it's one sheet. Okay. Right there. Go to one. How much is on the second page?
Make it fit on.
Yeah, but I don't want it to be too small either, so, go back to the beginning, back to where we are, you know, get out of this. Go up to your, there, and see if you can make your margins zero pretty much at the top and bottom. Good customer. Like that, put those down as low as you can. Yeah, put this down as low as you can. So, well, so it's not too small, I don't want it to be too small.
Hello. I was gonna ask if you guys had a employee handbook available.
Employee handbook?
Yeah.
I don't know if we have them pre-made. Let me see.
Do you have it on file where you could email it to me if I asked for
Yeah,
that?
let me ask our HR director.
Okay.
Hey, Cheryl. It's taken care of. I didn't know. I was trying to get a hold of Beth Cruza for an ID badge for Councilwoman Frishy, and I didn't. I know the badge machine's been down, and do you know she's in tomorrow or Friday? Only asking me because she'll need to come in over the weekend to get her council packet and doesn't have an ID badge yet. briefly talked to her about it, and she said something to the effect she was gonna give her some kind of permission, so I don't know if it's like a dummy badge, if you will, you know, I don't know. That's the next time, okay, thank you, bye. Gotta go ask her HR director.
Real quick, also, is Christina, the mayor, in?
She's a resistant.
Well, I've called and I never received a phone call back or anything for a sit-down meeting with the mayor, and this has been over a month. You know, but I think I'm just gonna sit in here and film all day since she doesn't want to talk to me.
You're more than welcome to do that. She's not in the office right now, so I can take a message for you if you'd like and have her give you a call.
Well, she hasn't given me a call back yet, but we'll try it one more time.
Okay, and what was your name?
You can put CRA audits.
And can I have your name?
You can have my first name, Chad.
Sure. Okay. And your phone number.
Can I write it down so people?
Yeah.
I'm YouTube live right
That's
now,
fine.
so.
Oh, there you go.
He was asking for employee handbook, and domestic stores closed, so.
It is available on our website.
Can you guys print that off for me? I don't have access to those kinds of,
Okay. It will be.
or at least if you guys would just show me a copy, I can just film it real quick, and that'd be good enough for me.
It's on the
Or
website,
you can send it, or you
so-
can send it to me email.
Oh, I can,
with,
yeah,
with that
certainly.
email.
Yep.
It's
Do this way.
it's CRA audits 01 at gmail.com.
01, you said?
Yep.
Yep, we can do that. Very good.
All right, thank you.
You're welcome.
Are these public candies right here?
Yep.
Root beer barrels.
Now it's audit. No, it's with an S.
Yes, yes.
Maybe from the mayor's office. This is Kathy. How may I help you? No, this is the mayor's office. I can transfer you out to the water department. Okay. Would you like their phone number and then I can transfer you, or you just want me to transfer you? Okay, no problem. Just a moment, please.
Can I ask you a quick question about the mayor? When's the election for the mayor is coming up again?
It'll be next year will be the primary and the general election,
Okay.
and then the new term starts in 24.
So how many years do they do? 4 years?
4
or
years, that's
4
fine.
years? Okay.
Mhm.
Okay.
Yep.
All right. Thank you.
Sorry, I should have asked you, if I leave Beth Cruza a voicemail, will she check it before she's in? Only reason I'm asking is I'm out Friday while he's on, and I really would like Councilwoman Frishy to have her badge before the weekend. Is there anywhere to leave a message for her so that maybe she can contact me? No, probably no, 'cause otherwise Holly doesn't have
Yes.
any access to get her packet, and they come in over the weekend to get those. Or is there anyone?
Yep.
Matthias? Okay, thank you.
Mm-hmm. He is not.
You guys have a good one. You have a good one, sir.